So guys, for Valentine's Day, we organized a dance class for creators.
I'm going to be vlogging this whole thing for Hype, and I'm going to be doing random gifts and giveaways in between. So if I come and annoy you, please don't be annoyed. मेरी नौकरी है, ठीक है?
ये आइडिया तो रैंडमली आया था बिकॉज वी वांटेड टू डू एन इवेंट फॉर वैलेंटाइंस एंड आइडिया सोच रहे थे एंड देन आई थॉट डांस क्लास व्हाई नॉट डू अ डांस क्लास.
Dude, I'm just seeing these guys do their thing, and it's complex. I feel like one of those boomers at a Gen Z party. I really should have stopped dancing to Ek Pal Ka Jeena when I had the chance. I mean, look at them.
I was a little skeptical about the whole dance class vibe of it because मेरे को लगा था कि यार creators dance करने के लिए क्यों आएंगे? Why would a creator dance? But then after I saw everyone dancing उस दिन I realized कि every creator is a dancer in some way.
अभी तक विद्यार्थी आपके कैसे परफॉर्म कर रहे हैं?
विद्यार्थी अच्छा कर
I need an answer in शुद्ध हिंदी.
विद्यार्थी बहुत अच्छा कर
क्रिएटर्स को बुलाने में दिक्कत हो रही थी क्योंकि दे वर स्केप्टिकल कि कैसे क्या पार्टनर होगा क्या नहीं होगा. थोड़ा ऐसे नर्वसनेस तो होती है ना कि किसी को भी पार्टनर बना देंगे तो क्या करेंगे.
ठीक है. So first of all,
Also, I think dance is very intimate.
True. We also chose a dance form which is like bachata.
this might help you find a date. So what you guys need to do is find a partner for yourself, Abhi, a girl and a guy. You can please find yourself a partner. जल्दी. एक में बना लिया. I see one couple over here. Hello, hi, this is my friend Shad. Yeah. Okay.
बहुत अच्छा डांसर है.
Okay, good. Meet you. Hi, nice. Good.
It was a very new experience for creators because as hyped also we were trying ki this time just creators don't come here, have fun and go away, but they take something, they can experience, if not a tangible giveaway thing, but an experience with them that stays with them forever. That हाँ कि मैंने कभी hyped के साथ एक dance class करी थी.
Exactly.
Is your partner keeping up to your expectations?
या मेरे को मेरी लगता है.
ऐसा सड़ी हुई शक्ल बना के क्या बोला है इसने? पार्टनर गई भाई मेरी. You guys know each other पहले से ना? Okay. Most annoying thing about her?
She is very irresponsible. She is never on time.
I asked for one, but remember इसने दो बोले थे. What's the worst thing about his fashion sense?
Sometimes we wear clothes नहीं जाते एक दूसरे के साथ.
I'm always good.
Also about the dance instructors, Yukti and Neeraj, those guys were too good.
Yeah.
And they were very patient also with the whole class because जिस तरह का chaos के creators ने मचा रखा था उस दिन, oh my gosh.
7 go slide and a slide.
How annoyed are you with your students right now?
मैं शब्दों में बयान नहीं कर
So I'll tell you one thing. I asked the trainers to send me the choreography before because I wanted to make sure कि easy हो, कि सब कर पाए. So मैंने उनको 10 changes बोले choreography में. ये step change कर दो, ये बहुत मुश्किल है, नीचे बैठने वाला step मत रखो, वो कैसे बैठेंगे. इतना तो सोचना पड़ता है कि पहले choreography भी same हो. तो वो भी एक टाइम में ना piss off हो गए थे कि क्या यार कितने changes बोल रही है. And at the day of the event, so they told me कि क्यों इतने changes कराए थे, सब तो इतना अच्छा डांस कर रहे हैं. मैंने थोड़ा वो कर लिया, but creators did a very good job.
Everyone here has a partner except Rizul. If being single was an entity, that's Rizul. Buddy, 3 girls have left you. What is happening? 3 girls have left you so far. One of them is her.
Where is your partner, Bhumika?
Bro, everyone is my
Dude,
partner.
I feel like तेरे साथ ये हुआ है कि जब your partner almost came to the gate, जैसे वो डेट पे नहीं होता कि वो डेट वेन्यू
Are
तक
you
आते
making me feel like Ross?
हैं, वो डेट तक आते हैं, फिर वो देख के फिर निकल जाते हैं. तेरे साथ ये हुआ है.
अनुष्का, तेरे पार्टनर को 3 लड़कियां छोड़ के जा चुकी है अभी तक.
क्या?
तेरे पार्टनर को 3 लड़कियां छोड़ के जा चुकी है अभी तक.
छोड़ के नहीं गई है.
Are you going to do the same?
No.
कि हाँ कह रही, हाँ कह रही.
करना नहीं चाहिए कहीं.
And also one thing that happened that was very funny was साथ में भी classes चल रही थी, normal regular dance classes, and वहाँ के students हमारे पास आए थे. They were like, ये कौन सी dance class है? Where can we register? Because this looks so much fun.
But I think reels काफी बढ़िया हैं लोगों की,
काफी।
and from what I think creators had a good time.
Yeah, they did. They definitely did.
Okay, Neeraj, you have 7 words to describe the whole experience.
One sentence consisting of 7 words.
Yeah.
It is a very amazing, beautiful experience.
It is a very amazing, beautiful experience. Thank you so much. 7 words to describe the whole day.
It was kind of good,
It was kind of good,
but bye-bye.
I think it's a USP of every hyped event that we organize a lot of small things also going around.
किसी को भी अपनी दिल की बात या फिर कोई सीक्रेट या फिर सीक्रेट क्रश या फिर कोई क्यूपिड बताना हो तो प्लीज कम हियर और कोई मतलब अपना नाम मत लिखना प्लीज। तू पागल है क्या? मैं सबसे जगह
What I did was I went full Mr. Beast this time कि हम जो भी गेम खिलाएंगे उसमें ना प्राइज देंगे। तो one of the games I think was Cinderella that I just went on saying hey are you Cinderella and अगर उसके पैर में वो जूता फिट आ गया वो जूता हम उसको दे रहे थे and which I think was
Very successful,
वो
yeah.
काफी
People
लोग-
had a lot of fun.
हाँ, वो मजा आया कि अरे जूता मिल गया just because पैर का साइज फिट कर रहा है। And then rock paper scissors जिसमें बहुत ही गंदी ड्रिंक पिला रहा था मैं। If you win then you have to drink the drink and if you lose then you get a product which is available on Hype.
Stone, paper, scissors. You win.
अरे पॉइंट कर
मेरे को रिएक्शन तेरा पसंद आ रहा है।
Yeah, so by the end of it, every creator had a reel with their partner
Yeah.
whom they might have never met, but then they had to post it in a collaboration with them.
Yeah, and collaborating also because social media में collaboration Instagram पे being a content creator is very necessary. So हम अब उनको खुद नहीं बोल रहे कि आप खुद contact करो कोई creator को और बोलो collaborate करने को, हमने उन्हें एक space provide कर दी, you know, come here and collaborate and have fun.
It's like the creator version of a Tinder date.
Oh yeah, true.
Which is, I think if that happens, it's a pretty successful Valentine event. So,
True.
Yeah.
And also because Kevin तो अपने बर्थडे की बात करेगा नहीं, मैं ही बता देती हूँ. We gave him a little surprise जहाँ पे इनका बर्थडे था, so we got him a cake end में, and he cut the cake. We all had fun और मैं तब थोड़े काम वाले मोड में थी, मैं बोलती गंदा मत करो, बाहर लेके जाओ इसको.
And I think suddenly creators tunak tun पे नाच रहे.
नाच
So
रहे
like
थे.
straight from bachata, we went to tunak tun, which is like that's the perfect end. To every event.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's officially ended. I don't know if you guys can hear me, but ये खत्म हो चुका है.